हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आप सबको आपके लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप पर व्हाट्सएप को डाउनलोड करना सिखाऊंगा। सो फर्स्टली ओपन गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र इन योर पीसी, देन सर्च इट फॉर WhatsApp download. Then click on enter. Then tap on www.whatsapp.com link to download it. Here you have your supported versions. If you have any MacBook, so click on Mac OS, or your Windows. For your Windows, just click on Windows 8 and higher 64-bit version. Then your downloading has started. Just see here, your WhatsApp setup is ready to be installing. Now your setup has been installed, and just click on it and follow the steps that I am doing. Then your installing is being in process of WhatsApp. Then after that, open WhatsApp on your mobile phones, and on the top right corner click on three dots on linked devices to link your device. Just click on a link a device button and focus on your PC to logging in. Just see how it works. So then this process is being done. You will be logged in to your WhatsApp on your laptop or desktop, and here your WhatsApp came here. And here your WhatsApp for laptop and desktop beta version is ready to use. So you see how easy it is to install WhatsApp in your PCs. So I hope you all like my video. Thank you for watching this and appreciating me.